Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel Robotics for Juniors. Our videos are mainly for kids who want to start learning robotics. Although our videos will be helpful for anybody who is starting to learn robotics, kids would benefit the most. We have specifically designed our course keeping in mind the kids of all ages, where we focus on explaining each step as we do our projects. Our world has entered the era of robotics. Robots find their usage in almost everything, ranging from robots used at our homes to the field of medicine where surgeries with high accuracy are done, self driving cars, personal robots, Amazon's drone delivering the packages, and whatnot. A coffee shop, Cafe X in San Francisco, uses a robot to personalize coffee ordering experience to the customers. So it is the best time for every kid and teenager to have hands-on experience in robotics. In ever-growing use of robotics in coming future, the skills of a person having good knowledge in robotics will be in high demand. In this course, I will be your host, Shweta. I have done masters in physics with specialization in electronics. We are going to start from the very basics of robotics. We will explain to you the core fundamentals of robotics like circuit design, motor control with Raspberry Pi, programming the Raspberry Pi, controlling sensors, designing circuits on breadboard, and fundamentals of electronics like how batteries, resistances, capacitances work. Some of the experiments by which we will start are controlling an LED through a Python program and then by scratch, glowing a sequence of light in different patterns, making a traffic control light, detecting light signals through a light sensor, controlling motors through a program. In our videos, we will use an easily available low-end cost minicomputer called Raspberry Pi. We will go slow and explain each and every step. You will be able to make electrical circuits using physical components, use Python programming language to control the circuits, use Scratch, the block programming language to communicate with the physical world, and things of such sort. You don't need to worry if you don't have any background experience in any programming language or with handling electrical circuits. Don't worry, just relax and watch our videos. We will explain how to perform each step. If you have any questions in any part of our course, you can post your questions directly to us. We will answer your questions as soon as possible.